Hi guys, my name is Indigo and welcome back to my channel. Now, this look was very heavily requested and I am a man of the people. So I'm doing it. Today I'm doing a Blackpink inspired makeup look and that's why I'm like all dressed out. Oh, stunning. So yes, let's get started. I'm gonna start off by using my Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm like running out, so I hope I have enough to even do a full face. I don't know if I'm just in denial, but I'm really starting to like my hair color now. It's starting to look like a little cute. Ignore that like my scalp is still stained, and honestly, it does kind of look like a hair color that a K-pop star once had. I don't really listen to K-pop, so I don't know who it is, but I think I've definitely seen this hair color on one of the boys. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape and getting rid of this week's burnout. And I'm just gonna try and pretend like this week didn't happen. And as always, obviously don't use as much concealer as I'm using right now because I'm in front of a camera and that's why I'm doing it, because it looks good, but in person, don't do that. And then I'm just gonna quickly set that with my Fenty Beauty setting powder because I do not like to give this time to even think about creasing. I didn't think I was that tired, and honestly, now I'm offended. Good credit, bad credit. I also like to set my chin without concealer, just because I find it accentuates it just a little bit, but not to the point where I look like the crimson chin. Child. Also, I set my face a lot because I have oily skin, but if you are dry or combination, reconsider. Next, I'm gonna do my blush, and I'm gonna be using the shade. I can't say that on YouTube because they will demonetize me, but I will be using that shade. Ooh, I added just a little too much there. I feel like I haven't moved my face at all in this video. I literally don't know why. I promise you guys, I did not get Botox, unfortunately. Like, is it just me, like some days you just feel like you don't want to move your face so your makeup doesn't crease, even though you don't even have that issue? Next, I'm gonna use my bronzer that is like completely destroyed, but still functional. Okay, now we're finally going to do what we all came here to see. I'm just gonna sketch out the shape of the eyeshadow before I go in, just because I have hooded eyes and they're literally not ideal for eye makeup. This is how I just make sure that no matter what eyeshadow I do, I get what I want instead of like it just like falling apart the second I like look up because I have hooded eyes. Again, so if you have hooded eyes, this is definitely a technique that you want to consider, especially because like this eye is a little bit more hooded than this one. If you guys can't even tell, I'm not sure if you can. So at the end of the day, no matter what eyeshadow shape I do, my eyes will never look the same until I get eyelid surgery, and I'm not even sure if I want to do that. So next, I'm going to go into the Makeup Revolution palette. I'm going to use the gray selection. I'm going to start off by packing the light gray eyeshadow on my lid. And I'm just filling in the majority of the little shape that we made. Then I'm going to grab my little blending brush and I'm going to start going into the darker gray. I believe this is the third darkest gray in the collection. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep it at that and I'm going to add I'm kind of debating over the pink and the green. I mean, it's a Blackpink look, so I think I'm just gonna stick with the pink. Ooh, interesting. It looks a tad bit unfinished to me, so I'm gonna go with the pastel pink shade and I'm just gonna blend that out into the gray. And then next I'm gonna add some NYX eyeliner and we're going to do a graphic liner this time. Okay, so I just did my regular eyeliner as kind of like a base for my graphic liner, but now I'm going to start bringing it out. And then I'm just gonna stop the black around here. And then I'm gonna continue the line around with some pastel pink. Next, I'm gonna add some Drug Lord Liquid Lip at the very end of the eyeshadow. And next I'm going to go into the shade Cavity in the Blood Sugar palette and I'm just going to make a little pink dot in the inner corner. And I'm also going to put it in my waterline. And lastly, I'm going to add some Voluminous Lash Paradise to my lashes. And actually, I'm also going to add kind of like a laser beam effect with the eyes. And I'm using the Drug Lord Liquid Lip and I'm just going to trace like a white line inside of the pink. So I'm gonna finish the other eye of the camera and I'll be right back. All right, now that we're done with the eyeshadow, I'm going to do the black splatter across my cheek. I'm gonna be using the Maron Makeup Black Cream Paint. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've never listened to BLACKPINK. I've never actually listened to K-pop in general. It's not really my style, so I've never really gotten around to it. Like, I don't really look like it, but I kid you not, I literally mainly listen to rap. So I listen to Dreezy, Iggy Azalea, Malibu Mitch, and all that. So I've never really gotten around to listening to K-pop. I have a lot of friends who are obsessed with it though, and one thing that I know is an unwritten rule on the internet is that you do not mess with the K-pop fans. So I'm just catering, so you guys don't kill me. I do, however, follow Rose, so pretty. And I don't really know the tea, but apparently she's like not treated as well as the other members. And don't quote me on that, I don't know. But that's what I've like been seeing like floating around, I don't even know. So yes, please don't kill me, I'm literally doing this for you guys, so. Oh, actually, no, I lied. I do know one of their songs. That one. It's like literally like called like doo-doo-doo-doo, right? Anyways, that song slaps. So next we're gonna write the BLACKPINK logo right here. I'm gonna do one half of it black and then the other half pink, like wherever it's like black, I'm gonna put pink. You'll see. Now I'm just gonna take some pastel pink. Alrighty, now that we're done with that, I'm gonna do the cube and I'm gonna be using the shade Magenta and Pastel Pink. Next, I'm gonna use my Kylie Jenner One Wish lip kit. I forgot what it was called for a second, but anyways, now if you guys are sitting there saying,
he always wears that same exact lipstick, like is he ever gonna change his lip color?
The answer is no. Whenever I try like a different lip color, I just end up looking like that one lady from Shrek. Don't like it, not a look. Obviously my opinion is subject to change because my makeup changes like every single day. But for now, yes, this is the only lip color I will wear. And then finally I'm gonna be adding my Wet n Wild clear liquid lip gloss. It would very obviously be liquid if, anyways. Alrighty, so this is the final look. I am really pleased with my eyeshadow, honestly. I have such a hard time with eyeshadows just because my eyes are two different shapes. Bowie snapped this time, so if you guys do ever want to request makeup looks from me, I'm always checking the comments below, so definitely leave your request down below and I will eventually get to it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys don't already, please go follow me on my Instagram and please like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like my art or my energy. And I will see you guys in the future. Bye-bye. Cue the montage.